Hello, this is Monica Peters. Today is February 17th, Monday, and I'm going to do a quick video review on a mobile app project I've been developing. I did it in both Android and iOS. It is a clone, kind of a clone of Snapchat, and here it is on the Android emulator. I'm using Genymotion Android emulator. It works great. It works much better than the emulator in Eclipse. So anyways, this is a list of messages I've received from all my friends that use this same app. These icons here show that it's a picture. This one is a video. Here's all my current friends. I can add and remove friends here, and all of these friends come from a parse.com database. You can see these are all the people that are signed up to use this mobile app that I developed. And you'll see that now I got all these friends I can send and receive messages from. And let's see, let's just check out a quick picture. So there's a picture someone sent me, and it disappears after 10 seconds. So if I go back before 10 seconds to the waiting, it will be gone out of my list. And here's where I can either take a picture, I can take a video, record a video, I can choose a picture or choose a video, and send and receive it to friends. Now for the iOS version, I'm going to log in really quick. Super secret password. So here I am logged in on the iOS version, and these are a list of, you'll see, I have a list of messages from my friend, and here's all my friends right here that I picked, and I can edit them up here. The iOS version is just a little bit different as far as how it looks from the Android, but it has the same features. I can use the camera to take pictures or video and send and receive it to friends, and this is where I can view the messages that were sent to me. And I've been showing you one where it's actually, I'm logged in as the same person as I'm logged in here. So, and these are emulators, so they don't work as quickly as the, anyways, that shows that demo. Now in Eclipse, here is my project, and what I did, it's native, Java, Android, and these are all the classes I created. It's pretty standard actually. All my layouts I did in XML from scratch. Everything's from scratch in here. And, uses some standard permissions. It's a pretty standard Android project. Same with the iOS version that I developed, pretty standard. I used a storyboard, laid that out there, created all my classes here, the frameworks I used. Now on this one, again, it's it's pretty standard frameworks that I use. I use parse.com to handle the data. And there's nothing really out of the ordinary here. In the Eclipse version, something that I did add, which is really made life so much easier for me as a developer, was the Picasso plugin. I also use the parse.com plugin. And that concludes my video review of this really cool mobile app I've been developing for Android and iOS. Oh, one other thing, something people are always asking me, what do I do about the colors and stuff? I like to use, it's called colorlovers.com, and I look for palettes in there. So like in this one, for this app, because it's just a demo app, this isn't really for, I'm not planning on making this world famous or anything. But anyways, I picked the colors here, and it's called Pink Elephant, and this is where the color palette came in for my Android app. And I set it up so that in my values I have a colors XML file where I put all the colors from that palette in here, and then I just call to them, instead of calling to them as a color name, I call to this XML file. Actually, I might as well show it to you. So here you can see I have darkest, darker, dark, medium, and light colors. And let's see, which one can I actually I can show it on any of these, but I'll show it on the login screen. So for my background, you know, I want the background to be the lightest color, the text to be the darkest color. For the buttons, I did the same thing. The text color would be the lightest color, which is the opposite actually, and the background would be the darkest color. And that makes it, for me, a little bit easier, especially when I'm refactoring or repurposing a project for another project, because now I can just switch in the actual text colors and just remember that, you know, I have lightest, medium, dark to darkest, and it just makes it easier for me in the future when I'm reusing my code. So that really does conclude this this video review of my mobile app project that I did in both Android and iOS versions.